class, please take your seat. Today we are learning about the future. Hello everyone. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. I love school and I love working hard to learn new English words. But sometimes books can be a little bit quiet. I want my future classroom to be alive. This is why I need my AI teaching assistant. First, the aromatic walls. Because I love art, my AI will turn the classroom walls into whatever we're studying. If we're learning the word jungle, the walls will show green leaves and swinging monkeys. I can use my artistic sense to paint the air, and the AI will make it real. Second, the perfect helper. I am a very organized person, but one teacher has many students. My AI partner will help me look after everyone. If one friend is struggling with an English word, the AI will whisper a hint or show them a fun picture. It helps me make sure no one is left behind. To my future self, keep working hard. Being a teacher is a big job, but with AI, every lesson will be a masterpiece. I won't just be teaching English. I'll be teaching imagination. My classroom door is open and the future is waiting. Thank you.